Hi, I'm Penny. Welcome to this week's episode of Butterfly Cottage Renovation. Come in. Since we last saw you, so much has been done. Bit of wiring. This is for the bathroom. If you saw last episode, we were doing the bathroom. So this is the cabling for the boiler, the lights, the washing machine. Come and have a look. Before we go any further, let's just have a quick recap. So the new cables have been chased into the wall. Some freaky fingers sticking out there. The light switch. The boiler. The washing machine. Also, a new ceiling. So the ceiling has been boarded, the cables have been put through, and the ceiling has been plastered. So this wall is going to be plastered, but it's been scraped ready, and then we're going to put this mesh onto it, and it keys the plaster into everything. Okay. We finally found a boiler, so the pipes have been put in, and it's all been done over there ready. That will go there. Excellent. This wall has been levelled, ready for tiling. There's a mole in here, as you look at the floor. Keep falling over this. Okay, so here is an example of the mesh. As you can see, everything sticks to it, just holds it in place. So this wall was so far out that it went back that far, about 3 inches different to the bottom. So it's been boarded out with plasterboard. And then the taps have been put in place, ready for the bath. This has been scored, ready for when the tiles go on. The biggest job, finding tiles. Practica, maybe? I don't know. This wall here is just getting levelled, and once that's levelled, then it's time to go to Practica and find the tiles. You see? Ready for the sink. Spring has finally sprung, and here we have some bluebells and some white bells and purple dead nettle, which I have been gathering and taking home for our rabbits because they love it. We also have some tulips, but they're not out yet, and some daffodils. The grapes are being cut back now, and we're taking this metal fencing away, and we're going to put some framework in for the grapes to go across, going along the top. But look what happens. Come and look, come and look. Look what we have. The peach tree. We have greenery. It's very exciting because one of my wants in the world is a peach tree that actually gives us peaches. So fingers crossed. So when you renovate a house, you have to do the garden as well, otherwise it just takes over. So the fig tree has been retrained and some branches taken down. And this tree here is dead, so we need to take this down as well. And we've cleared all the bushes around here so that the light can get through, so we can get lots of nice fruit. This is a wild plum tree. The Bulgarians call it janka. They're little orange or purple plums. Very, very sweet. I make plum sauce from mine. Beautiful. Come and have a look behind the green door and I'll show you the soil pipe. Oh, it's a bit dark. So here is the soil pipe put in place, and it goes down under the floor and out into the field. This is everything that we took off the fig tree and the bushes around about. We'll leave it in the sun for a while to dry out before we cut it up for next winter's wood. This week the storks came back, followed by a day of snow. I'm going to leave you now with the stork in its nest. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, last week I forgot. Ring that bell, ding-a-ling-a-ling.